Guys, I found an AI tool that can literally generate cinematic animations in one click. And it doesn't just spit out a random video, it actually behaves like a full animation studio in your browser. It's called OiiOii.ai, and if you've ever wanted to make animated shorts, music videos, or educational content but got stuck on scripts, storyboards, or character design, this is going to be interesting. Most AI video tools today feel like a black box. You throw in a prompt, cross your fingers, and hope the result vaguely matches what you imagined. If you forget to specify something, too bad. OiiOii.ai flips that on its head. Instead of one model trying to do everything, it uses a multi-agent system built specifically for animation. Think of it as 7 different professionals working together for you. An art director, script writer, storyboard artist, character designer, and more, all collaborating in one automated pipeline. Here is how it actually feels to use. You start with something simple like a theme, a short prompt, or even a single reference image. For example, you could upload a screenshot from a film you like, add a quick description of the vibe you're going for, and let OiiOii.ai take over. Before anything is generated, the art director agent jumps in and starts asking you smart questions. It might ask what type of animation you want, how long the video should be, what aspect ratio you need, and which language you want the video in. So instead of guessing what you forgot to mention, it actively fills in the gaps. Based on your idea, the art director then pulls out mood keywords that match the tone you're aiming for. This is where OiiOii.ai starts to feel different from generic AI video. It's not just creating visuals, it's dialing in a specific atmosphere. If you want something dreamy, gritty, nostalgic, or high energy, those mood keywords guide the whole production. On top of that, you get access to around 140 animation-style presets. You can even generate animations in the style of specific film directors, which is incredibly useful if you're chasing a particular cinematic look for your IP or channel. Once the mood and style are locked in, the art director tags the scriptwriter agent. The scriptwriter automatically generates a full script based on your prompt and the chosen direction. While it's working, you can see character settings and storyboard descriptions appear in real time on the canvas. If you don't like something, the scriptwriter checks in and asks whether you're satisfied. You can ask it to revise the script automatically or jump in and tweak the text yourself. So you get the speed of AI with the control of manual editing. When you're happy with the scriptwriter immediately hands things off to the character designer agent. This part is very cool for anyone who normally struggles with character art. The character designer works in 2 stages. First, it generates character images using an image model. In the example I tried, it used Midjourney to create detailed character art based on the script. Then it uses another model called Nano Banana to generate full character turnarounds. The result is a complete set of character designs and turnarounds that are ready to animate without you sketching a single frame. After that, the character designer tags the storyboard agent. The storyboard agent reads the script, generates shot prompts, and then calls the Sora 2 model to actually create the video. All the individual shots that get generated are automatically merged into a complete video. There is no manual editing timeline to wrestle with if you don't want to. You can just watch the whole thing come together on a clear, structured workflow canvas that shows every step: direction, script, characters, storyboards, and final video.
The sea never keeps a secret for long. Not on a night like this. This didn't come from any local trawler. There you are, you elusive shadow. Time to see who's at the helm of this ghost story.
What really stands out is how much it feels like teamwork instead of a single model guessing. Each agent has a clear role, and they talk to each other. That's one of the big differentiators of OiiOii.ai. It's one of the earliest tools to apply a multi-agent system specifically to animation creation, so you get a genuinely collaborative and automated workflow instead of a one-shot, hope it works kind of generation. Another thing I like is the focus on vibe-style animations. A lot of AI videos look similar, almost generic. OiiOii.ai leans into giving your content a distinct atmosphere and emotional tone. For example, you could build a channel of short story clips that all share a consistent, moody, cinematic vibe, or a series of educational animations that feel playful and warm instead of flat and mechanical. That consistency is huge if you're building an IP, running an animation channel, or posting daily shorts. In practical terms, this tool is ideal if you are a solo creator who wants to feel like a whole studio. You can one-click generate music videos, story shorts, or educational animations. It automatically outputs character designs, turnarounds, storyboards, and the final video all in one place. That makes it especially useful for beginners who want high-quality outputs but don't have the time or skills to handle every production step manually. It's not magic. You still need a clear idea, and sometimes you will want to tweak the script or adjust the styles to really nail your vision. But the heavy lifting, from requirement analysis to detail clarification to production itself, is handled for you. Instead of spending days coordinating writers, artists, and editors, you can iterate on concepts in a fraction of the time. If you want to try OiiOii.ai, it is currently in internal beta. I've secured some invite codes, and I will be sending them out to followers through comments and DMs on a first-come, first-served basis. So check out the link to OiiOii.ai, join in and see what kind of animations you can create with a team of AI agents backing you up. You can also search for OiiOii on Discord to connect with the community and get updates. And if you enjoy deep dives into AI tools, blockchain, and the future of creative workflows, make sure you hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next breakdown.